We have got a powerful tractor and 5 walls in its way. Can it break every wall? Level easy, half-cooked brick wall. Boom! They crumbled faster than cookies in milk. Level medium, solid brick wall. Proper bricks, proper fight. But our tractor's been hungry all day. Cracked it. Open like a big Lego set. Level hard. Concrete block wall. This thing's built like a stubborn grandpa. It won't move easy. Well, grandpa just fell over in big chunky pieces. Level wild. Plaster wall. Level legendary. Mud wall. Just dirt and water. If tractor wins, then you will have to follow.